Good afternoon. Welcome back to HELLARICHSF Digital Media Productions. Today we're going to look at some crypto. I'm your host with the most. And you're going to look at what's going down here in this cryptos. In this app, which is Phemex, I'm going to show you something which is a little bit interesting. So in this app, there's a lot of features, so many. And one of the features they have on this here is what they call the copy trade, which you can basically look at what a trader, if you will, sounds bad, right? A crypto trader who wants to share their portfolio and everything, what you can do now. What you need to look at here is, of course, the ROI. So this person here, you could say, according to the rest of them, is pretty good. Look at their return on investment is 226.42% on the money. Only has 369 followers. 18 people have copied them, and it's $50 to execute that trade. You can't actually know what it is. So yeah, there's that feature. There's some people losing a lot of money here. 66% on their, it's fine. We're not gonna get into any trading things, just letting you know what you could do on here. Since we're not trading, it's not necessary to check the wallet every day. Now, one piece of advice, you wouldn't want to have all of your crypto in this exchange. Remember, I have two crypto applications. One is the wallet Exodus, and this is the exchange Phemex. You might ask yourself, well, why don't you use Binance? Why don't you use Coinbase? Well, because of the fact that where I live and of my lifestyle that I have, I choose not to share all of my private information since I'm not in the United States at the moment. So once I get to the United States, I will set all of those things up. But setting them up from overseas, abroad, is not as easy as one might think. So that's why. So Phemex is one of the ones that kind of allows you to partake. They're inclusive, they're diverse, they're equitable, and in this case, in the crypto world, it's decentralized, I guess you could say. Anyway, nothing's changed really in the wallet. I've lost a little bit of cents here on the BTC. USDT is never going to change. Well, it shouldn't. I mean, some people think that it would, but so this is why we have this USDT here, because it is kind of like our buffer. We know that it's not going to fluctuate, not like Solana or Ethereum would, which is what we're holding here. As I told you, we're only holding 4, okay, in a 60-40 allocation. 60% Bitcoin, 40% of the others, as you can see. It's about that kind of a breakdown. And yeah, so one might ask too about the market and say, what's going on with the market? I thought that the ETF news is going to make it blow up. No. You know, some people fell for that. I knew not to fall for it because I've already been through all this before with crypto. And I saw that the best strategy for now in these kind of unsure times of the unknown, just stick with a strategy that's going to give you some longevity in the game. Think of it as you wanting to stay in the game. And this is what this strategy can do for you, which is the classic HODL strategy, with a little bit of sell-off and things like that, profiteering from an increase in price, which we will see eventually, hopefully. If it goes down, then I can show you what we can do to balance that out, to make sure that we don't have that much of a loss. That's why you have the USDT. So for example, if this Bitcoin falls to say 190, I have the $112 here of USDT, so I'll top up the Bitcoin with the rest of the 12 to even that out. And it works as a double kind of leverage, if you will, because you're buying it at the cheaper price, so that if it does go up, it will give you a little bit of profit. Now you say, but what if it goes down? So yes, it's true. It could very well possibly go down. So if Bitcoin hits 190, okay, Bitcoin hits 190, and I say, okay, I'm gonna use my 112 of USDT. I'm gonna use 12. I'm gonna top it up to get it at 202 or something, right? Good. I think that's a good strategy. Do you have to do that? No. Yeah, because what if it goes down to 180? I'm gonna feel so dumb. Yeah. I guess you can feel dumb. I felt pretty dumb when I had money in FTX, and I tried to get it out, and I received the emails from, I'm guessing it was all those scammers. They're like, yeah, your money's on the way. Got your request. And it was in the email, and I never received it was Bitcoin, it was Ethereum. Never received it into my wallet, and it was a good amount. You know, it wasn't like millions of dollars or anything like that, but still. Anyway, so that's the strategy, and I'll let you know when things happen. I do have another kind of way of going about this, which we can get into if you like, but you gotta let me know in the comments. I'm not seeing many comments on our videos, and it's sad because we want to see people interact. We want to see what you think, what we can improve, what we can provide. Anyway, that is our video for today. Have a lovely day. This was the Phemex kind of overview of today. Once again, this is a HELLARICHSF media production, 2004, all rights reserved. Have a lovely day.